In this video, how to update the BIOS on an Acer laptop. First, search for MS Info 32 and open the System Information app. From here, you can find your system model, BIOS version, and its release date. You can also check this using PowerShell. Let's right-click on the Windows Start icon and open PowerShell as administrator. Run this command. In the output, we can see the BIOS version and the serial number of the laptop. Let's copy the serial number. Next, visit support.acer.com. Enter your serial number into the search box. The Drivers and Downloads tab will show all available drivers and BIOS update files. Select your operating system. Expand the BIOS and firmware category. Compare the version or release date. For example, I will download the latest version. Once that's done, extract the downloaded file. Run the BIOS update file. When updating your BIOS, it's recommended to use a stable power source, such as AC power or a UPS. If BitLocker is enabled, suspend its protection before updating the BIOS to prevent recovery key prompts. If possible, back up your current settings and data. Only update the BIOS if it's truly necessary. If your computer is working fine, you don't need to update the BIOS. Finally, do not interrupt post-flash reboots. Finally, click OK to update the BIOS. The computer will be restarted automatically, so please save your works before updating. This might take some time, so please be patient. As you can see, the BIOS has been updated to the latest version. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.